cats have chased me as usual. I didn't put the light on this time, so now I can't see. Let's see what's in here. It's just a bag. I gotta stop this and put the light on. Nah, nothing. Yep, they're all chasing me. Ooh, what's that? That's up there for you. Another one coming in. Making a fight. I thought the wind would have died down by a bit today, but oh, this is as bad as last night. Alright, nothing. Yeah, the cats are all behind. They've all followed me. I suppose they're used to my routine by now. Just gonna check in here. Doubt there's anything here, but this has been emptied. I really don't bother if it's been emptied because it's been emptied and then really doesn't make sense to look, because that's a milk. It's one of those lactoids. Save that for the chickens. Oh, look. Look at the eyes following me, eh? Look at them. Alright. Kitty babies. Oh yeah, that's the same stuff from last night. That's the egg. Some of those eggs today. At least I think so. Yeah, it looks so. Not gonna bother getting myself too. Is that water I felt? Hope that's not something from here that hit me in my face. Yeah, this hasn't been emptied, so I'm not gonna bother. It doesn't make sense to dig around in it if it hasn't been emptied, because if there was anything, it'd be right on top. Like last night, I found it right on top. So there we go. Kiddies, you have to. There's no food in here for you. One milk. This is probably from, because I found a couple of milks last night, so this is one that I didn't see last night apparently. Oh yeah, I see the wind is really blowing stuff down here. This is from the, I would give this to the cats, but maybe it's already, it's been there all day. Well, it hasn't been that hot. It's been quite chilly. What I'll do is just open it up. And if it's, look at them, I mean, they're out by the, I don't think Audrey's here tonight, so maybe that's why. And Troy would have been busy. I'm just going to open this, and if it's good, I'll give it to you. If not, I'll leave it for the chickens because they'll eat anything. Look at Chubby. Ah, Chubby. Yeah, it still smells pretty good. And what you do? Scratchy. Oh, look at the little black ones. They're all piling in there. Yes, they're good. Did a nose test, smell test. I have an excellent sense of smell, that's why. See, come over here. Come. There you go. See, Felix is watching me. Share it. That's it. Oh yeah, it's starting to rain, yeah. So that was what I felt on my face. Okay. We get a view of the flowers here for the lovely ladies. Here you go, with the foliage. For Emmy and Anne and Claudine, Mademoiselle, and all the other ladies. Take your flowers. There you go. So that's it for tonight. Just gonna check to see what's in the restaurant. It's a good thing I put up my window. I thought it wasn't gonna rain, so I'm gonna stop this. It's raining, yeah. Yeah, it's raining. I just realized it's Friday, so I was going to go quick check in here. I took the glove off already though. Looks like there's nothing in there. Just pinch it quickly here. Yeah, that's a gift shop opens on Friday. On Fridays and Saturdays only because of no tourists now. So, yeah. I'm not even sure. I haven't checked the sign. They never seen windy. Quickly. There's no sign on it. Here we go. Current hours Friday to Saturday, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Yeah. Because there are no tourists, so it doesn't really make sense. It's really a tourist shop. In this location out here in the resort area. So I'm going to the restaurant and check see what they got. I'm in a rush to get to the store, so I just took whatever was there. Not much, but it's still windy like crazy here. There's a bit of flaps there. I'm not even gonna wait for ice tonight, so it's gonna head out. I suppose cats are still following me. So it's super windy. Ugh.